What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing the tires. I have not fished here in quite a while. I know there's a lot of big fish here and there's potential here. I've seen some big fish here, so hopefully we can catch them. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I'm going to be starting off with this trench hog. This place is pretty dry compared to last time. This is a pretty big presentation because there's some big fish here. Let's see if we can catch anything. Alright guys, so it is pretty hot. I found this jig head and there's a bunch of bluegill in this dock. So I'm going to be fishing for bluegill for now until later when the topwater bite turns on, or just when it gets less hot. See if I can catch a bluegill. I just got a bite, guys. That was a really good bite. Oh my god. A hook accidentally fell in the water and he ate the hook. No bait, nothing tied. Look, there's nothing on the bait. Nothing, guys. I mean, I have a bait in my hand because I'm about to use it. Nothing on the bait. There goes that fish. All right, guys, bluegill fishing didn't really pan out. No pun intended. I switched up to the Cinco and I'm going to start bass fishing again and see if I can get a bite. There we go, guys. First fish of the day. Always fighting hard. Not a bad fish, guys. Not a bad fish at all. Get in here, buddy. There goes my Cinco in the water. He barely bit it. I barely felt that guy. If I hadn't brought him up on the tire, he would have came off. Not a big fish, but I'm not complaining, guys. There you go, guys. First fish of the day. Go ahead and get a release on this guy. There he goes. See if we can catch another one. Guys, I just tied on the frog and I lost a fish. Oh my god. I set the hook as hard as I can. Alright guys, so I'm switching to topwater from now on. There we go, guys. First frog fish ever. And it's a nice one. It's a big one. It's a big one, guys. Oh my god. It's a big one, guys. Big one. Big one, guys. Oh my gosh. For my first frog fish, holy crap, guys. This is a big fish. This is not a bad fish. There he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes, guys. There we go, guys. That is not a bad fish. For my first ever frog fish, guys, he inhaled the frog. Look at that. Gone. That frog is gone, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. This is a huge accomplishment for me. First frog fish, and he ate it, guys. I mean, he hammered that thing. Wow. Second fish of the day, guys. I am happy with that. Not complaining. Beautiful fish, guys. Beautiful. Look at that thing. All right. She's gonna go. There she goes. That was dope. I'm gonna fish with this frog until the sun goes down. I want to catch another one. All right, everybody, that is going to do it for today's video. Not a bad day. I am not complaining on today's video. I caught 2 fish in total, which is not bad. You know, I've caught more fish back then, but today was still a good day. I caught my first frog fish after grinding for 2 months. Trying to catch a frog fish. I finally did it. So that is going to do it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and make sure to subscribe. And I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.